First of all, let's download some Photoshop actions. So go to your computer browser and type here Photoshop free actions download, and here open this website fixthephoto.com, and this links provides 300 plus free Photoshop actions. So here you'll find lots of actions. So let's download these actions. I'm clicking on Fall Actions, and now let's download these action. And here please select, here you have to select free color action and click on free download, and then you have to enter here your email address. So enter the correct email address and click on download now, and ensure that you are not a robot. Once successfully send it, now go to your Gmail, and here we can see the mail. So open the mail, and here click on download free Photoshop action, and the specific action will be download, just like so. Now it's time to import the action in this Photoshop. So click on window, and here you have to enable actions. So click on actions, and here the actions window will add. Now open your file explorer and go to download folder, and here you will find the action that you've just downloaded. Simply drag and drop the action here and expand the action folder, and here select the action, click on this play button, and here we can see the action successfully applied to this image. That's how you can open another image and go to action, and here select the imported action, click on play button, and the action will be applied to the specific image.